In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete browsing history in Google Chrome. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do, and you can do it on literally any device that you're going ahead and using with Google Chrome, whether it's the application or like the website or anything like that. So all you want to go ahead and do is go over to your Google Chrome application, and I'm going to go to mine right now. So all you want to do once you're here is on the bottom right, you're going to see the three little dots. So go ahead and click on those. Then on the top left, you're going to see history as the very first option. So just go ahead and click on that. This is going to show any of your history. And then what you want to do from this point onwards is go on the bottom left where it says delete browsing data. Now over here, you can select your time range, whether you want it to be the last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. So you do have a few options. Let's say I want to do last 24 hours. Now, you can obviously just delete all your history by going on browsing data, but if you want to delete absolutely everything, you can also choose like, your cache, your cookies and site data, which is going to clear your cache, cached images and files, which you definitely want to go ahead and do as well. And that can, let's say you only want to delete cache, you can just check that and then go ahead and press confirm. But if you want to delete everything, then you can go ahead and delete all of this stuff right here, which is going to delete everything for you. And then go ahead and press confirm, then press delete data at the very bottom, and then that's it. You'll be good to go.